Hello, my name's Maria, and today I'm going to show you how to make a basket. The Northern California Indians were famous for their basket weaving. They made baskets for storage and for carrying things, as well as for cooking their food. Today, you will be making a basket out of paper strips. For this activity, you will need 2 colors of paper, a ruler, scissors, a pencil, and some tape. To begin, you need to mark 1-inch wide strips on your sheets of paper. And then cut them out so that you have several strips of paper in different colors. Then you begin by selecting 4 strips of each color. Lay 1 color down horizontal and 1 color down vertical. Now you're ready to begin your weaving. You start by taking the first strip and weaving it under and over the strips beneath it. The second strip you will weave in the opposite way, going over and under. The third strip will be done the same as the first. Under and over. The final strip will be done over and under. Now you see we have a checkerboard started. This is the beginning of your weave. This is the bottom of your basket, and to keep them from sliding around so much, you may want to take a piece of tape and place it diagonally across your weave on the bottom. This keeps them tightly together. Alright, for our next step, I've found that if you use the ruler to help you crease your outside of your strips so that they stand up, it makes it easier to weave your basket on the sides. You have some extra strips. You'll need to take 2 of them and join them together into 1 long strip. This will make the sides of your basket. Then you begin just as you did on the bottom of the basket, weaving under and over, under and over, turning it, going under and over. Turning it again. Going under and over, under and over. Finishing up on the fourth side. And once you get completely around your basket, you'll need to tape the ends of your side weave together. Now you will take another 2 strips, join them together to do your top rung of your basket. You'll take 2 strips joined together again, just like you did for the first weave of the sides, and do the opposite weave for this weave, which means you'll be going over and under. Now, you can take a piece of tape and secure this weave to each of the sides as you're going through. Continue on around your basket, over and under, now if your side is a little long, you can fold it over the top of your top weave, folding the sides that went under back over to the outside. Those that went over, fold them to the inside. And secure them. Continue on around to the next side. Again, when you meet the other end as you're weaving around, you'll want to secure it together. And there you have it, a basket. So now you've made your first basket. If you'd like to experiment, go right ahead. Choose different lengths of paper strips, different numbers of paper strips. You can even cut them a little thinner if you'd want a smaller weave. It's up to you. Have fun.